In this tutorial, we will look at how to export to a visual format in Strategy Finder. If you want to share your map with someone who doesn't have access to Strategy Finder or who doesn't know how to use it, you might want to share the map in a format that they can open easily. To my surprise, there isn't a built-in function to do that. However, there is a workaround. You can print your map to a PDF format. I have tested it with different browsers and Chrome works best in terms of the resolution. To print the map, you need to press on 3 dots in the top right corner of Google Chrome and select Print in the drop-down menu. In the destination, you select Save as PDF. Your map will most probably be wide, and so in the layout you select Landscape. Then press More Settings. In the paper size, you select a larger size. The larger the size you select, the higher the resolution will be. I will select A2. You might want to select margins as none to maximize the space that you are using as well. Then you need to increase the scale, which will also help with the resolution. Select Custom and then increase the number to fit the page in the preview. I will select 165. Probably reduce it a little bit. That looks about right. Then you press Save and select where to save it. Let's look at our PDF file. If you zoom in, you can see that the text is quite clear and easy to read. And this is how you export your map to a visual format in Strategy Finder.